Unlock your voice and build a community around your ideas with Substack, the powerful platform for creators. Let's dive in. First, head to Substack.com and click Get Started. You'll sign up with your email and create a username. Then, you'll be prompted to name your publication and write a brief description, a circumflex euros. Think of this as your newsletter's elevator pitch to potential readers. Now, for the magic content creation, Substack's editor is clean and intuitive. You can effortlessly write your articles, add images, embed videos, and even create polls. Crucially, you can schedule your posts in advance, ensuring your audience receives consistent content. Monetization is key, and Substack makes it simple. You can offer your newsletter for free or set up paid subscriptions. Decide on your pricing tiers, a circumflex euros. Perhaps a monthly or annual option. This allows your most dedicated readers to support your work directly. Growing your audience is vital. Substack provides built-in tools to help encourage readers to share your newsletter and utilize the discovery features within the platform to reach new subscribers. Keep an eye on your analytics to understand what resonates most with your readers. Building a thriving online presence means engaging with your community. Respond to comments on your posts, engage in discussions, and foster a sense of belonging. Your readers are your biggest asset, so nurture that connection. Substack is more than just a publishing tool. It's a launchpad for your ideas and a way to connect with a passionate audience. Start your journey today and build something amazing.